Hello Year 11 and welcome to our introduction to arrays. Traditionally when you're looking to store one value, we know we store it in a variable in computing science, but there's often cases when we need to store multiple values and a collection of variables and multiple name locations that can become too messy to contain. So what we look at is an array. An array is a contiguous memory block, a block of memory locations beside each other that we can store multiple values. Now traditionally an array is of a fixed size and it doesn't grow, and traditionally an array stores data of the same data type. However, Python handles things differently. So we're looking to store multiple values, and if we're doing it in Python, this is how we declare it. You can see that we give the name of the array, there's our name location, and then in square brackets we comma separate the elements. So there's the syntax: assign a variable name to hold the array, or the list as we call them in Pythons, and then comma separate their multiple elements. Now, how do we access these multiple values? Each element in the array has got an index, and you can see that the first element begins counting at 0, 1, 2. So if I want to access any element within the array, I give the array name or the list name and its index. So you can see here, fruit 0 would return banana, fruit 2 would return pear. And then just a note on Python and arrays: Python doesn't use traditional arrays, it uses a data structure called lists, and these lists can grow and they can hold multiple data types, for example ints and strings and floats all combined, which is slightly different to traditional programming languages. If we look at, say, C#, we can see that an array is declared. Here we've got to declare the data type, we declare the name, and then we assign the values into it. This cannot grow and they're all the same data type. Another way of doing this might be declare it, the data type, the name of the array, and then it's going to hold 3 strings. So Python's slightly different, but effectively more versatile. So read through your notes, answer your questions on arrays ones before we look at two-dimensional arrays.